Hi everybody, welcome to my monkey Coco, and today I just wanted to show you guys that I'm cleaning Coco's cage and how I did it. So I removed everything, the bottom cage is gone, and took all his toys out, his bar, everything. I'm using a simple soap solution, antibacterial soap, and I did put a little bit of 91% rubbing alcohol, and then I'm going to wash it down really well, rinse it off with water. You know, I don't like to use bleach only because of the fact that he does put his mouth on it, so I'd rather use the disinfectant soap. And for all you freaking out for the alcohol, I just put a drop in this, and then I use that. You know what I'm saying? So I just put a little dab on here and then use that. So other than that, then I'm gonna start cleaning all of his toys. All of his toys have to be disinfected, his bottles and everything else. That's Hunter, our mini dachshund. Say hi. He's a pain in the butt. Yesterday, however, we did lose our princess, our pit bull that we had for almost 13 years. We had to put her down. It's very, very devastating. We're at a very, very bad loss, and we're all in mourning right now. We're taking it very, very hard. So if you guys have any ideas, like I was saying the other day, for any kind of perches that he can sit on, how to make, or any kinds of like treats or anything, by all means go ahead and put them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, we are a no bully. We don't tolerate any kind of bullying, nasty comments, because somebody says, all we hear is your mouth. Well, guess what? You're still going to hear it, and if you don't like it, psh, adios, dude. Coco is not here. He is with his daddy right now. They went out, outside somewhere. So that's that, and I will throw this up, and then later on I will record Coco. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, like and subscribe.